Dionos Miyamoto. Hello to you. Hi, hi Prasad. My goodness, ano na, I'm sleepy. Thank you, Rabi, for visiting me, my friend. Shout out. Kapuyan ko mag-shout out, guys. Ay, sana all. Send ng blessings. Thank you. Sana all naman. Oh, thank you, my friend Robbie, for sharing your blessings. Thank you so much. Prasad, please subscribe Robbie. He is Englishman. A good friend of mine also. Guys, please visit my friend Robbie, guys, if you love mukbang. There's a lot of food there and soft drinks. There's a lot of pizza. Taco. Very yummy. My favorite also. Tisha, don't change the topic. Oy, don't sleep. I'm sleepy naman kasi look at that. My life has no ano. There's a few people, so yeah, I feel sleepy. I feel lazy to, shout out, but there's a few people there. Only you and Robbie and yeah, two people. So better to sleep so that tomorrow I am fresh. I'm not feel haggard. So better to sleep and live my life on. Am I right? Better if there's many people on live so that I can shouting out. I did not feel sleepy. But if it's like this, no people on my live, I feel so sleepy. Oy, nawala!